I gave you guys 10 things I love about Haiti, 10 things I love about my culture. I gave you guys a little bit background about me so you guys need to know me more, and then I gave you guys this bomb ass makeup look and what. Ça qu'a fait YouTube, c'est Tiffany Tatiana Noël, bienvenue encore avec une autre vidéo qui janvier. Ouais ça, di papi mal non? M'se un bel Tiffany oui. You already know. Anyway, what's up YouTube, it's your girl Tatiana Noël. I'm back with another video. As you guys can see here, we're going to be doing this lovely Haitian inspired look, because if you don't know, today, May 18th, you guys will not be seeing this video today, so I'm so sorry. It was supposed to originally go up today, but whatever. But today, May 18th, is Haitian Flag Day. Now, in honor of that, I'm going to be doing this wonderful makeup look that I just literally came out the woodworks with. It's really beautiful, really fun, and I love it. This is going to be hell to wash off, but we're not there yet. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, where are you from? Where in this world are you from? I would like to know. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified when I post my next video, because if you don't know, I'm going to tell you, I don't post my videos on a regularly scheduled program. I'm just not that type of person. I'm a Sagittarius. We're all over the place. So turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post my next video so you don't miss this heat, okay? And without further ado, we're going to get right on into this video. So let's go, you guys. Alright, so basically, y'all, I'm kind of just going to wing it. I'm just pulling up a picture right now. I think this is good. Pulling up a picture of a map of Haiti to kind of give me what I want it to look like. So anyways, I have the map of Haiti, and now I'm just basically okay. That's the map of Haiti. I'm gonna use Nairobi Sky because they have this really pretty red right here. Y'all probably can't see that, but that's really pretty. And then literally right above that, they have that really pretty blue. So I'm gonna use that. This is their Nairobi Sky Euphoria. No, Celestial palette. This is their Simply You palette. I love this palette. Let me show you guys. I love this palette. This is probably one of my favorite, if you can't tell, nudie palettes. I love this. This is Euphoria. Pretty. So I'm banging out with Nairobi Sky today. Alright, so as I do this, I'm going to give you guys 10 things I love about the Haitian culture. The first thing that I really love about the Haitian culture is the resilience. As you guys know, we were the first country, African-American country, to kind of emancipate ourselves from slavery and from the French Revolution. So I am really grateful and proud to be a pioneer of, well, bloodline of pioneers who paved the way and, you know, created freedom, excuse me, freedom for themselves. So I'm really proud of that. I really love that, and it's still embodied in our tenacity today. We as a country suffer so much, from earthquakes to famine, I think it is, to you know, to just lack of resources, to defamation of character, to just unruly governmental policies. There's so many things. I'm saying the wrong roots and stuff to the words, but y'all know what I mean. But there's so many things that we suffer through, and we are so resilient and still standing. Like, I really love our resilience, and I really love our tenacity. I'm gonna take my favorite brush from Morphe, my M506 brush, and I'm gonna pick up that Blaze and the Euphoria palette. This is the red, and I'm gonna buff it out in the crease and stuff. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but you guys shall see. Actually, yes, I do. The next thing I love about the Haitian culture is the respect that it teaches you to have for people. There's a thing that in the Haitian culture is called salier moun, ou besoin salier moun grand moun parce que ou malève si ou pas salier. So I really love that. It's like basically where, you know, it's very similar to French culture. You know how when you go to France, you peck on both sides of the cheeks, which is basically when you see an adult, you're supposed to address them with like a kiss on the cheek or some sort of acknowledgement that's respectful, like a hug or just a salier. A salier is like a kiss on the forehead or something. You're supposed to salier gomun. It gives you a sense of morality and dignity and something to stand for. Now there's this beautiful cloud 9 like blue. That's so beautiful. MB19 brush, and pack that. I'm gonna pack it on the lid. Number 3. I have a love-hate relationship with the number 3, but I love the food in the Haitian culture. It's so good. It's so bomb. There's nothing like, you know, I don't know. The food is just so good. There's a wide array of food. Like, honestly, you can be very healthy with the Haitian culture. We just so happen to love rice. That is ridiculous. But I love the food of the Haitian culture. It's so diverse and so good. Haitian hot chocolate. If you have never had Haitian hot chocolate, do yourself a favor and get you a Haitian friend and ask them to find you some Haitian hot chocolate. That shit is phenomenal. It's the best hot chocolate you'll ever have. I think I'm going to be extra here, you guys, because I'm just not like 100% sold on this look. I'm going to clean up a little bit of the tail end so I can make a wing with some blue or something. Number 4, I love the dancing and the music and the culture. I love the dancing and the music and the culture. It just is a vibe. It's a vibe. If you never dance compa, again, get you a Haitian friend, have them invite you to a party, preferably somewhere that has the hot chocolate at the same time, and dance you some compa. It's like something that moves your waistline. It's just a smooth dance, you know. It's a smooth dance. I love compa. I love dancing, and I love it because most times I danced compa with my grandmother or something. It's a family bonding activity that when I have children, y'all, if I have children, I definitely want to introduce them to compa and just let them know the full entirety of the Haitian culture. The 5th thing I love about the Haitian culture, which I found to be my newfound thing that I would like to thank social media for, is the freaking comedy. Haitian people are so hilarious. And honestly, I noticed this before social media just by like real life experiences, but social media will show you Haitian culture in such a different way, and it'll make you feel so familiar with people. Like, I'm gonna go back into the Euphoria palette. That's a really pretty red, and I'm gonna take my Morphe. This is a firm brush, MB18. It's a firm, thicker brush. It has a slight angle to it, but not too much. And I'm gonna start to line the bottom half of Haiti. The 6th thing I love about the Haitian culture is the self-remedies. Haitian people are so strong. It's a good and a bad thing. Like, we really don't like the hospitals. I hate the hospitals. Do not ask me to go to the hospital. It's just something that I just really hate. But Haitian people in general, they are very, very strong and you know, we'll find a remedy. We don't have to go to the hospital. We will boil our teas. We will boil our remedies. Lui masqueti, tout bagay. Ça, that just heals you and makes you feel so fine. Like, you know, Haitian people do not go to the hospital. And again, it's a gift and a curse, but I'll take it as a gift because I don't like the hospital. I don't fuck with the hospital. I do not like the hospital. I feel like you come out of the hospital worse than when you came in. I don't. When I get to a place of having children, if that day ever does come, I want them to understand the self-medication and the lengths of which the Haitian culture goes to take care of themselves, you know? Like, I really love that. Now we're gonna switch to the Celestial palette, and I'm gonna pick up that blue, and we're gonna do the top. The seventh thing I love about the Haitian culture is the family aspect. Like, the family aspect, I like the support, and you know, my family gets on my last nerves a whole lot, but at the end of the day, it's like the support that we have for one another is unmatched. Like, ooh, motherfucking go to war for each other. Okay, I remember these girls thought they were gonna make fun of me. They thought they were gonna make fun of me and my little plaits in my head, because you know, as a Haitian, you grow up and you always wearing petit plaits na cheveux. This is so embarrassing, but you dare not like protest it or attest it or whatever. So yeah, these girls thought they were gonna make fun of me, and my family showed out. Okay, sis, my family showed. We turned the block up, period. And yeah, that's just the support that we have for each other. Like, if one fight, we all fight. Like, if you talk to me crazy, everybody going crazy. Like, you know what I mean? Like, we don't play about our family. So try it if you want to, but you gonna run up on us the wrong way and you gonna get got. It's like, but seriously. That's really what I love. I love that about the Haitian culture. Like, you can't go to war with one. It's like, that's impossible. We all coming out the woodworks. Period, poo. Hey, YouTube, obviously it's been a minute since you guys see me. I went ahead and finished up my face makeup off camera. I put my lashes on and I lined my eye with glitter. And then on this side, I just put the white in the middle. You guys saw everything else I did. I just put some white eyeshadow in the middle, and I got that from my Nairie Sky Simply You palette. I used Hush. This is one of my favorite shades in this palette. I'm gonna line the whole thing with white. This is gonna be really scary, and I'm really stupid for doing this, but I'm gonna do it because I want to now. The eighth thing I love about the culture, the Haitian culture, and this one I'm just gonna have to say because I've never been. My grandmother sent me pictures, you know, I've seen pictures online and stuff, but I love the way Haiti looks. Like, I can't wait to visit. I just know it's gonna be a wonderful thing for me because the first and foremost, I love water, and the fact that Haiti, you know, there's a lot of impoverished areas. Like, we are really doing bad in certain areas, but Haiti in a whole, like, don't let it fool you. It's like, you know, just like mainstream media is good for, it'll have you thinking like something is way worse than it is. But Haiti in a whole is actually really beautiful. There's a lot to offer. It's just really beautiful. Again, I've never been there. I will go eventually. The time I was going to go, I was on my way to moving out of the state that I was previously living in. And at the same time, my grandmother was like, they'll kill you because I'm too American or whatever. So, you know, I was just like, let me just get my life together in that respect. But I am definitely going to go. There's a lot of things I want to do in regards to Haiti. We're going to go in my little glitter container and find some glitters that match this look. So we're going to use this blue here and this red here. It's like a Christmassy red. And to adhere that, I'm going to use the NYX. The nice thing I love about the Haitian culture is that it taught me a lot, like as far as survival skills. Like a lot of things that I used to make fun of and a lot of things that I didn't understand as a kid, it taught me so much, and it taught me survival skills that I literally am going to use for the rest of my life, and I'm going to pass on to generations to come. And the 10th thing that I love, the final thing that I love about the Haitian culture is just purely and flat out like the people. Like being Haitian, knowing a Haitian, loving a Haitian, accepting Haitian culture, just the people in general. I love everything Haitian. I love Haitian people. I love Haitian men. I love Haitian women. I just love being Haitian. I've never not wanted to be a Haitian. I've always loved representing my culture. And so in honor of that today, in honor of Haitian Flag Day, in honor of our independence, in honor of being the first gang out of these people's shackles, I'd like to commemorate my country with this bomb ass look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This is how the look turned out. It's wonderful, it's beautiful, I really love this. I'm about to go outside and take some bomb pictures so I can post and represent for my Haitian Flag community, or so I can pose and represent for my Haitian community. It is Haitian Flag Day. But yeah, this is how this look came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys stuck all the way to the end, you already know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already, because you like this video, you stuck all the way through it. Comment down below what was your favorite part of this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on your post notifications, because if you are a new subscriber, then you don't know that I don't post my videos on a regular scheduled program, and I don't want you to miss when I post this heat. So turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post my videos. Like so. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way until the end. I really appreciate the love and support. I gave you guys 10 things I love about Haiti, 10 things I love about my culture. I gave you guys a little bit background about me so you guys need to know me more, and then I gave you guys this bomb ass makeup look in one. Now I'm about to go outside and take these pictures. But thank you guys so much for watching my video, and until next time, peace. Hey, wait, before you go, do you guys know that I have a website? Yeah, probably not, because I'm pretty bad at mentioning it, but here it is right here on the screen, TatianaNoelArt.com, where I have my custom artwork, some of the looks that I've done that you guys didn't get to see on my YouTube channel, and some stuff that I'm coming at you guys with really soon. Make sure you follow all my social medias linked right here on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave off this channel, and watch another video while you're at it. Thanks. Peace.